This is the new chapter. Name of the chapter is profit and loss. First of all, we have to discuss some formula of this chapter. SP means here selling price. This is the short form. CP means cost price. This is also the short form. Profit means SP minus CP. Loss means CP minus SP. And profit percentage equal to profit by CP into 100. Loss percentage equal to loss by CP into 100. So therefore, when SP greater than CP, therefore profit occurs. This should be profit occurs. And when CP greater than SP, therefore loss occurs. And one more thing, in this two formation, you see, all of you see that these are this CP means cost price. So therefore, in any question, this is the key. This is the key thing. If CP is given, therefore the sum is easy, approaching to other sum related to other sums. But if SP is given, first of all, you from SP you have to find CP. From CP the profit and loss occurs. So therefore CP is very important aspect in this chapter. Okay. This is sum number 3. Shubir uncle has sold a clock at the price rupees 176. If the loss of Shubir uncle is 12% by selling the clock, let us calculate and observe that with how much money he has bought the clock. First of all, SP is given. So therefore, SP is 176 and CP, we don't know the CP, we have to find the CP. So let CP be X and loss is 12% loss. So therefore loss equal to X into 12 by 100. So therefore 12X by 100. We know the formula where loss equal to CP minus SP. So from here we can say loss from left hand side to right hand side and SP from right hand side to left hand side. SP minus SP, if it come back to left hand side, it should be positive. So therefore SP equal to CP minus loss. So therefore according to the problem, CP means X minus loss means 12X by 100 equal to SP means 176. LCM is 100. 100X minus 12X equal to 176. 88X equal to 176 into 100. X equal to 176 into 100 by 88. Eliminate by 11. This should be 8. 1, 16, 8, 16, 2. 2 into 100, 200. So therefore CP is 200. This is sum number 5, very important sum. Amol Babu sold a picture at 20% loss, but he made a profit of 5% if he sold it with rupees 200 more. Let us calculate and observe the cost price of the picture he has bought. Now read the question carefully once again. There is no CP, no SP. This is a very important sum. So first of all, let CP be X. We assume that CP is X. Amol Babu sold a picture at 20% loss. So therefore loss equal to X into 20 by 100. X by 5. So therefore we know the CP be X and loss be X by 5. So therefore SP equal to CP minus loss. So therefore x minus x by 5 equal to 4x by 5. But he made a profit of 5% if he sold it with rupees 200 more. So therefore, if he sold it rupees 200 more, so therefore new SP is 4x by 5 plus 200. Read the question very carefully. First of all, here CP is x, loss is x by 5, SP is 4x by 5. Now in the question given that if he made a profit of 5%, if he sold it with rupees 200 more, it means if previous selling price is 100, the latter selling price or the new SP is 100 plus 200 equal to 300. We don't know what is the previous SP. So here related to x, we find that selling price is 4x by 5. So new SP is 4x by 5 plus 200. So therefore profit should be SP minus CP. Here SP is new SP because the previous SP is less than CP. So this is the new SP. We put this in the SP 4x by 5 plus 200. CP means the previous one, x. So 200 4x by 5 minus x 5 4x minus 5x minus x by 5. So 200 minus x by 5. So according to the problem, we know the profit percentage should be profit by CP into 100. So profit by CP into 100 equal to profit percentage, which is known as 5%. So therefore equal to 5. So profit is 200 minus x by 5 and CP is, we know, x into 100 equal to 5. 1 and 5 LCM is 5. 5 into 200, 1000 minus x by x into 100 equal to 5. So therefore 1000 minus x by 5 into x into 100 equal to 5. Eliminate this by 5, 100, 20. If 5 came here, it should be in the denominator. So therefore we can eliminate this also. 5 into 20, 4. 4 into 1000 minus x equal to x into 1. So therefore x. 4 into 1000, 4000 minus 4x equal to x. If 4x going to the right hand side, therefore 4x 4000 equal to, it should be positive, 4x plus x 5x. So x should be 4000 by 5, 800. So the CP is 800.